Hi, this is Amitabh and welcome to my channel. In this video clip, I will solve one problem in SQL on HackerRank. If you want to practice more problems in SQL and if you want to clear your knowledge on query writing, then definitely this video is for you. So let's start with the content. Okay, so the problem is the report. You have to generate a report regarding the student name, grade and marks. So there are two tables. Okay, so first one table is contains three fields. Which are the fields? Column ID, name and marks. Okay, and this is the second table which contains grade, minimum mark and maximum mark. So now list out what is the problem in a gist form. Okay, so that's why I'm opening the notepad. So here Katie gives Evie a task to generate a report containing three columns: name, grade and mark. So there will be name, grade and mark. So you have to generate a report containing three columns: name, grade and mark. So I'm sorting it. Okay, then what? Katie does not want the name of those students who received a grade lower than 8. So whose grade is lower than 8? In that place you have to put null. See, finally if the grade is lower than 8, then use null as their name. So if the grade is lower than 8, then put null as their name. So okay, then what? So the report must be in descending order by grade. So you have to put the grade in descending order, that is higher grade should comes first. If there are more than one student with the same grade, then assign to them, order those particular student by their name. So you have to order in two ways. One is the grade and another one is by name if they have same name. So see the output format. So okay, here are the two same grade, okay, 9 and 9. So order them by their name. See, first J and J comes, then first A comes and after that U comes. Okay, in this way you have to order. So order by grade in descending order and name in ascending order. Okay, and what it says, okay, so this is the case. So now look into the output format. So output says that here is the student name and this is the grade and this is the marks he obtained. Okay, so you have to put in this way: name, grade and marks. So now I am writing the code. Okay, so for that, how the query writing scenario will be. Okay, so you have to put it into this case, switch case. So where we use case when there are multiple cases and you have to select one from them, then you use case. So I am putting this site, okay, Oracle case expressions. So Oracle case expressions allows you to add if-else logic to SQL statement without having to call a procedure. Okay, the case expression evaluates a list of conditions and returns one of the multiple possible results. Okay, so what is the structure? This is the syntax of the case expression. You have to put the case and the case name. Then when some conditions, then it prints something. When other conditions, it prints some things, and at last you have to put end. Fine. So now I am writing the query. Okay, so I have to select what? See here, see the notepad. I have to select name, grade and marks. So now for name I am putting this in the select case. So in the case, so select case when what grade is less than 8, then when the grade is less than 8, so then the name will be null. Okay, so when grade is less than 8, then I have to print as null. Okay, I'm printing null. Otherwise, else, what I have to print? Student name. Okay, so I'm putting the student table as S and the grade table as G. So S dot name. Okay, so I'm ending the case. So end, then comma. Then I have to put what? Grade and marks. So I'm writing as G dot grade, as the grade table will be G dot grade, and student table there is marks. So from student table there is marks. Okay, so from students table S and grades table G. Fine. Where the condition will be there, where the marks should be between the minimum marks and the maximum marks. Yes, see, if the minimum is 0 and maximum mark is 9, then the grade will be 1. If the minimum mark is 10 and the maximum mark is 19, then the grade will be 2. So in this way you have to calculate the grade. So where the marks should be between minimum marks, that is G dot min mark. See the field name, min mark. G dot min mark and G dot max mark. Okay, max mark. Fine. And you have to order by the result. See, so I am putting the condition already 1 and 2. Now I have to order by the result. So order by grade in descending order and the name in ascending order. So order by what? Grade in descending order. Okay, and name. So I am putting s dot name in ascending order. Fine. Sorry. Now let's run the code. Okay, let us pass the sample test case 0. Now let's submit the code. Okay, it has submitted the code. So thank you guys. So I have put my best effort to create this clip for you, and I would really appreciate it if you would support my hard work by liking and sharing my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.